3, 2, 1, here we go. Welcome to Bexley Maths Paper Test 5, question 23 onwards. Only 3 questions and then we are done. Step 1, turn the volume all the way up. Now I'm going to sit back and go through these questions. Here we go. Every single question you can pause before I discuss it and then see if you compare with what I have explained in this video. Question 23. Ursula starts with the number 7. Which of these instructions will not give her a final result of 38? With these checking questions, I have told my students, go from option C. Then you check D, E first. Why? Because the examiner wants the student to check a lot of choices. It's like wasting their time a little bit. So let's go from C. So we start with 7, triple the number. 7 times 3 is 21. Then you add 3 to it, so that's 24. And then you double your original number, which was 7. Double that is 14, and then we add it to it. So really fancy sounding instructions. Just sounds really picky to me. I don't really love these random number questions. We have the answer. 24 plus 14 is 38. We want the one which won't give 38, so cross it off. D, add 12 and then double the answer. Well, 7 plus 12 is 19, and then 19 times 2 is 38, so wrong. E, subtract 3. 7 minus 3 is 4. Square your result. That means 4 times 4 equals 16. And then double the answer. Well, 16 times 2 is 32. So there we go. The answer is E, because it should have been 38. In the real exam, of course, you move on because we have found the answer, which is not 38. There's no time to waste at all. But this is a YouTube video. I'll quickly go through A and B. Multiply by 5. 7 times 5 is 35. And then you add 3. That is 38. Square your number. Well, 7 times 7 is 49. Double the result, which is 98. And then subtract 60. That is 98 minus 60 is 38. So there we go. It would have been E anyway. So that's what I mean. I knew the answer anyway. Do this in your real exam. If we're checking, just go from C, D, E. I bet you're going to save time. Okay, next. We're 3 minutes in. Let's hurry up. Question 24. The chart shows the number of books owned by the students in class 7A. How many students own more than 30 but less than or equal to 60 books? With a bar chart, I have told my students you can just look at each of these bars and put the number at the top. To save time, of course, we just put the numbers above the bars that matter. Look at that blue box. We are going for the bars that are more than 30 and less than 60. So it'll be this bar, this and that. So just those 3 bars. Easy question. They're being so mean with this exam papers plus question. As you know, I've covered all these questions already in the previous videos. The final few questions are so easy, they could have been questions 1, 2, and 3. Instead, they're being so mean by putting them near the end. I did not expect that at all when doing this paper. Count each bar. 8, 12. Well, if you're not sure, just count up. They're just going up in 1, so that will be 9. And we know 8 plus 12 is 20, and then plus 9, it will be 29. Good. One more question, that's it. Question 25. Okay, one more question. The page is really bright, so I'm going to wear glasses now. Here we go. Point S is 40 kilometers from point T along a straight road. Sarah stands at S and Tom stands at T. They start walking towards each other at 4 p.m. Fair enough. So this person, Sarah, walks at 7 kilometers. Fine. And then Tom walks at 3 kilometers. So really, Sarah's walking a lot faster than Tom, but they're going to meet at a certain time. I haven't seen this type of question before until doing this paper, but I think this kind of question is okay. I've looked at the mark scheme. I think my way might be a little bit better. Let's just draw each bit. Okay, look. Let's go red for Sarah. 7 kilometers per hour. So really, in 1 hour, 7. She'll be here, but we start at 4 p.m. 4 p.m. So now it'll be 5 p.m. We're going to do the same with a Tom. Let's put that in green. 3 kilometers. I know it's a bit slower. So 5 p.m. will be here. Okay. Well, let's just keep going. We've traveled 7. Let's go another 14. Okay, well, another hour has passed, so it's now 6 p.m. Tom does the same. 3, so then 6. So really, that's 40 kilometers. We've gone 3 kilometers back, so it'll be 37, but then we go back 34. Can you see the numbers are just slowly approaching each other? 14 and 34, just a few more goes, and they might meet up pretty soon. Sarah goes again. 21, because 14 plus 7 is 21, and now it's 7 p.m. It just keeps going up by 1 hour because that's exactly what's happening here. Sarah, every time, moving 7 kilometers per hour. Tom, here. 34 minus 3 will be 31. So 7 p.m. here. And now one more time. 21 plus 7. That'll be 28. That'll be 8 p.m. And this is just an absolutely perfect moment. Because Tom here is 31 kilometers. He just keeps going back 3. And we've got it. What a fantastic question. Because 31 minus 3 equals 28. And we already know Sarah is at 28 because she's just walking normally. Just walking normally. 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7, 28. She meets there. So really we can see the meeting time will be 8 p.m. You can see Sarah's just done most of the walking anyway. She's walked 28. In total, Tom has walked 9. He's gone back 9 kilometers. Sarah's gone forward 28 kilometers. Overall, that's not the question. It is they meet at 8 kilometers. So, nice question, even though I've never seen it before. It doesn't matter. You use the diagram. You just keep going forward and backwards, slowly, obeying the instructions. It looks a little bit scary because there's just so much info, but I'm really pleased that they put a diagram to help us. Okay, that's it. We're 8 minutes in, job done. So thank you so much for sticking around this mega playlist. So my normal way to end the video, well, first thing, you deserve a break if you've watched the entire Bexley Maths Test 5 playlist. I have my normal routine of ending the video in this fashion. Top left corner, it might be another suitable maths video, we'll see. Or, I mean, that will be the top left corner. No. The top left will be the previous video, and the bottom left corner, it might be another video on my channel, or it might actually be, I might actually go back to the first one, because if you click on this video, it doesn't mean you've watched the first few questions. Bexley Maths 1, 2, 3. So those will be the 2 videos on screen. Give yourself a break if you've watched the entire series. Nice one. We're 9 minutes in. That's it for now. It is 1:33 a.m. on Sunday, the 1st of September 2024. Why not? Just saying it back to me as a nice record in my diary. Thank you so much. I will see you next time.